I'm Safatun Abisa, and
I am Siti Nurrohmah.
and here we are. Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to talking about public speaking practice. So, I would like to explain. First of all, you have to know what is the public speaking. What is the public speaking? What is the good public speaker? How to be a good public speaker? So, and then you have to know what is several problems in public speaking. Okay, we move to next slide. What is public speaking? Public speaking is the process of speaking in front of a public to entertain, to persuade, to inform something. Okay, do you get it? Then what is important? What is public speaking is important for our life? So first, it can be it improves our confidence. It can be improves build self-confidence. Can it supports academic presentations and prepare students for future careers. Okay, you get it? Next, we move to next slide. There is common problems in public speaking. There is nervous. Every people when they practice in front of public, yes, mereka selalu merasa nervous atau gugup karena dilihat oleh banyak orang. Abaikan orang-orang, maka berbicaralah. Okay? And then lack of confidence. They have a lack of confidence. Mereka kurang percaya diri karena merasa materinya kurang. Entah itu karena materinya belum siap atau karena belum praktek dengan baik. Jadi faktor-faktor itu harus dihilangkan supaya kita bisa percaya diri ketika berbicara di depan umum. Kemudian fear of making mistakes. Every people, mostly people feeling fear of making mistakes. Padahal sebenarnya membuat kesalahan itu juga tidak apa-apa di dalam public speaking, karena dari situ kita bisa belajar bahwa bagaimana begini salah, ternyata begini salah, saya kurang kontak mata kepada audiens gitu. Jadi kita bisa memperbaiki untuk di kesempatan public speaking selanjutnya. We have a poor eye contact. Usually when the people speaking in front of public, they poor eye contact with the audience. So kamu harus mengarahkan kontak mata dengan audiens. Jadi tidak menatap ke depan atau ke bawah atau ke samping. Jadi harus menatap audiens satu-satu. And then there is fourth point, speaking too fast. So when you speaking in Indonesian or in English, don't speak too fast. Jangan berbicara terlalu cepat karena audiens tidak bisa menangkap poin yang kamu sampaikan. Okay, understand? We move to next slide. In this session, I have several tips for effective public speaking. First, maintain eye contact. So when you speaking in front of public, you must to mengarahkan matamu kepada audiens, tatap audiens satu-satu. So don't feel nervous when you looking to audience eyes. Okay, understand? Number 2, speak loudly. Jadi berbicara dengan jelas dan suara yang keras supaya audiens bisa memfokuskan perhatiannya kepada kita sebagai pembicara. Okay, and then third point, use simple and understandable language. Jadi gunakan bahasa yang mudah dipahami. Jangan menggunakan bahasa ilmiah ketika kita berbicara di depan anak-anak atau ketika kita berbicara di depan forum umum. Gunakan bahasa yang sesuai dengan audiens. Fourth point, control your body language. Body language. Do you understand body language? I mean, body language is bahasa tubuh ketika kalian berbicara. Oh, bagaimana saudara-saudara? Nah, itu jadi bahasa tubuhnya adalah mengajak. Ketika menghibur, berarti kita ekspresinya adalah menghibur. Body language yang menunjukkan bahwa kita sedang menghibur. Kemudian practice regularly. Semua itu tidak akan berguna ketika kita tidak pernah melakukan. Jadi poin kelima adalah sering-seringlah berlatih. Okay, in this session, my friend Siti Nurrahmah will practice speaking for 13 seconds until 60 seconds. So about one topic, ya. Okay, about one topic. Jadi satu topik akan dibicarakan oleh kawan saya yang bernama Siti Nurrahmah. Check it out.
Hello everyone, I would like to tell you about my hobby. My hobby is reading books. I enjoy because it helps me learn new things and improve my new English vocabulary. I usually read novels and education books. Reading makes me feel relaxed and
From this practice, we found several mistakes. One example, when the speaker speaking in public, she lack of eye contact to the audience, and she should have a full eye contact to the audience.